Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and today, with the help of my granddaughter, Hadley, we are going to go ahead and show you what to do when you have an empty early spring container. What I want to do, we've done some early spring pruning of evergreens with Nandina, and so what I'm going to do is show you how you can get anybody. You don't need a lot of skill. All you need is some imagination and the need to make something beautiful, right? And now we're going to start stuffing this empty moss basket with greens. And I kind of like to put these stiff Nandina or heavenly bamboo greens more towards the middle because they're going to be the upright ones. And then I've cut these as well. So let me take you through the steps while Hadley goes ahead and keeps filling this basket. Step one is we went out and did our early spring pruning, and we pruned these greens. This is Leucothe. We pruned the greens of an early blooming rhododendron named Christmas Cheer, and we pruned some mock orange and some beautiful Pierre japonica, anything that's tough and evergreen. And the reason that we did that, ooh, I like that in there, it's more upright. The more upright ones go towards the center, and the more floppy ones go, like this Leucothe, goes towards the edges, is because these are such tough evergreens that these can be filling up an entire container with no water. They're just stuck in the damp soil left over from last summer's container. Go ahead. Now look at how, see how this has got this bend to it? Because it has this natural bend, you want to put it in so that this part is facing forward. And then, just to be cool, I keep giving you these. Whoa. I also cut some forsythia branches. Forsythia is an early blooming shrub, and I'm going to stick those in the container as well for some color. So, after we gather the greens, like we've done here, the next step is to simply poke them into the damp soil, keeping in mind that branches bend towards the light. This is bending towards the light, so therefore I put it so that the bend is towards the outside of the container and it's leading out like this. Add some of this forsythia up towards the top, and this Leucothe, here's some more. Okay, so step two is simply fill your container with greens. And now we're going to continue to do that. Whoa. It looks pretty with just the greens, but then once we have the greens in, another thing, you can use those sticks, is I'll let you put these forsythia right in the middle because they're the tallest. Tallest things go in the middle, floppy things go to the side. Then, go ahead and grab these. These are the blooming wooden branches of the early flowering rhododendrons. Step three is add your flowering rhododendrons kind of evenly spaced. Yep, that's right. So you see how easy this is? You don't need any floral training. You don't need to be afraid. Just stick it in until you get a pleasing arrangement that looks good to you. And there we have it. These were just pruning crumbs we were going to throw away, but instead we turned an empty container into a beautiful spring display. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.